Hello everyone, my name is Khushveer Singh Saini and I am an assistant professor in geography at Baba Farid College, Bathinda. And today we will cover the minerals which are found in Africa continent, in which we will study the minerals like iron ore, manganese, bauxite, gold, uranium and mica. Firstly, we will talk about the production of iron ore in Africa. The country of South Africa is the largest producer of iron ore in Africa, and it is also the seventh largest producer of iron ore in the whole world. It produces almost 38 million metric tons of iron ore every year. Most of the deposits in this country are found in the Transvaal region and in Northern Cape province. The country of Algeria grabs a distant second place among the iron ore producing countries in Africa. It produces just 2.3 million metric tons every year as compared to the first ranking South Africa, which produces almost 38 million metric tons every year. But it is still the largest iron ore producer in the northern parts of Africa. Iron ore is mined at Tel Atlas Mountains and Oris Plateau. Apart from these two major iron ore producing countries, iron ore is also produced in Egypt, Morocco, Mauritania, Liberia, and Zimbabwe. In Egypt, iron ore is produced near the cities of Aswa and Kosir. In Morocco, iron ore is produced near Melilla and southeast of Casablanca city. In Mauritania, it is produced near Zoret and Fort Gourand. In Liberia, iron ore is produced in Bomi Mountains and Nimba Hills. In Zimbabwe, iron ore is produced in the Harare region. Now let's talk about the production of manganese in Africa. South Africa is again the largest producer of manganese in the Africa continent. It is produced in the areas of Kimberley and Girkila West in the Transvaal and Veld region. Gabon also produces manganese in large amounts. It is produced in the Moanda region. Ghana produces manganese from the Nasuta mines, and Democratic Republic of Congo produce manganese in the Katanga region. Now let's move to the next mineral, which is bauxite. Bauxite is primarily produced in the country of Ghana. It is the most important producer of bauxite. The most important bauxite producing regions are located at Songarede near Boke, Faria Kondour Valley, and Kindia Fota Jalon. Sierra Leone also produce some bauxite from the regions of Kabala, Kamalu and Kambia areas. Ghana produces bauxite from the Ashanti Plateau. Now let's move on to gold, which is the most important mineral of Africa. Here South Africa and Ghana are the highest producers of gold, which produce almost 130 tons of gold every year. As far as South Africa is concerned, almost 80% of its gold production comes from the Transvaal state. Here there are many important gold producing mines such as Witwatersrand, West Kimberley, Bird Reef, Livingstone, Lydenburg, etc. Ghana also produces as much gold as South Africa. Here gold is produced from the sands of Ankobar River, and there are three important mines, namely Tarkwa, Obuasi and Prestia. Zimbabwe also produces gold from Gatumba mines. Gold is also produced in Tanzania in the Mwanza district and Lake Nyasa region. Now let's talk about uranium and mica, which are non-metallic minerals. Uranium is primarily produced in Namibia in the Trumeb region. It is also produced by Niger and it is mined in the Niger Valley. South Africa also produces uranium from the Witwatersrand mines, and Democratic Republic of Congo produces uranium from the Katanga region. As far as mica is concerned, it is chiefly produced by Madagascar and South Africa. So that's all for today's lecture, guys. I hope you understand the minerals of South Africa really well. And if you have any confusion, please text me on Microsoft Teams. I would be readily available to help you out. Thank you very much for listening.